What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin on a 30-minute time frame, currently breaking down this time frame right here, this support. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin on the weekly, talking about the CPI index, and that's about it. If you guys do like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So a couple days ago, guys, I actually did mention this video right here that Bitcoin could be going back to $52,000. Now we're going to be diving in on why. Obviously this is a brand new channel, 11 subscribers, so if you guys do want to subscribe, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. That would really be cool. If you guys do want to follow my altcoin channel, 16,000 subscribers, feel free to do so. Crypto Dose. Anyways, going into inflation real quick. The forecast was supposed to be 2.3%. The actual is 2.4%. Now, is this the reason why Bitcoin's dumping? Is inflation really going down? I mean, food is still skyrocketing 50-60% in the past couple of years. I mean, is inflation really going down, or is it only going down on paper? So we're going to be having a look at what the chart is saying. So first of all, on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still doing lower highs. That's number one. So this right here was pretty much when Iran attacked Israel. Of course, geopolitically, that's very bad. It creates a lot of chaos in the Middle East, which could affect not only, the crypto market, but the stock market as well, and financial markets. So we could see that Bitcoin is in this parallel channel, descending channel right here. Obviously, we've been consolidating, ever since Bitcoin has been making this move right here. I mean, Bitcoin went all the way from like what, $20,000 all the way up to $74,000 in a matter of a few months. And of course, now we're just in a massive flag, and the big question is Bitcoin gonna actually come back to $52,000 like my target? So $52,000 is approximately right here. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna happen right now. I'm not saying it's gonna happen in this candle. I'm not saying it's gonna happen in the next couple of candles. It's very possible that we come a little bit down, bounce back up, and then do something like that, and retest this bottom of this extended support line, which could potentially be $52,000. So that's what's happening right now for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Obviously still doing lower highs until Bitcoin can manage to pretty much do these get rid of these lower highs region. That's pretty much when I will be bullish on Bitcoin again. Now, if I have a look at the Fibonacci levels, guys, you guys can see right here the 6.18 is the golden ratio, and we actually got rejected at this level. So obviously not only did we have geopolitic mess, but we also had a rejection at the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is the golden rule right here. So we got a rejection at the resistance right here. We also saw inflation going down. So there's a lot of negative signs that we are actually seeing. Of course, this is on the short-term time frame. If we have a look right here at Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame, we could see that actually Bitcoin could see a relief bounce on the stochastic RSI. So stochastic RSI right here is actually looking pretty oversold. It looks like Bitcoin does want to rebound right here. So it's very possible that, we come back at and retest $60,000. Now, we know historically, guys, every time Bitcoin breaks some sort of support level or resistance, we usually have that crazy breakout, come back, retest before continuing to the downside. So we're going to have to pay attention on this chart right here in the next couple of hours, yes, because this is a 30-minute time frame hour, and see what Bitcoin can essentially do in the next couple days, couple hours, whatever it may be. If we have a look at one of my favorite indicator, guys, exponential moving average, let's turn that on the 4-hour time frame. You guys know that the EMA ribbons are one of my favorite indicators, and we could see right here that we did have a nice little fake out above it on the 4-hour time frame right here. So this was the fake out. That's when Bitcoin reached $64,000 before pretty much coming back down, consolidating below these EMA ribbons, and pretty much breaking back down after retesting one more time above it. So obviously this is a quite interesting pattern right here, because we know historically every time we are above these EMA ribbons, we're pretty bullish, and when we are below it, we're pretty bearish. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame, we can see right here that it's a little bit less accurate, even though you could make longer swing trades right here. So yes, we could see these swings right here, but we know historically when we do have these nice little breakouts, we pretty much go back above it, and we had a nice little pump right here. So this might not seem like a lot, but it is a daily time frame. This was like a couple weeks of a pump, 10%. If you would have gone into altcoins, you could have made big moves. Also 10% on like a 50x leverage on Bitcoin, that could be pretty darn big. So Bitcoin did break below this very, very important level right here. Let me remove this drawing real quick. Let me remove these indicators. This is the important support level that Bitcoin did break. Okay, so we had a resistance right here, support that flipped resistance, another one right here, and Bitcoin finally broke above it. The next one we're actually looking at is actually this level right here. So 57,000 is actually one of the targets that I'm actually eyeing for the short-term target. We're gonna have to see if this could potentially be reached on the weekend, and if Bitcoin will pretty much fall below it or pretty much hold that level. If we have a look at the stock RSI on the daily time frame. Sorry, we could actually see that it is getting a little bit tired, so it's possible that over the weekend we will reach the $57,000 region before bouncing back up. So overall, that is my video, guys. Bitcoin dose, nothing too crazy obviously to see over here. It's going to be very interesting. If you guys do like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.